Your car or pickup is half in the ditch. Your arms are burning from the deployed airbags. And before you even get home or go to the hospital, your phone probably starts ringing. That is probably an insurance adjuster from the other driver's insurance company trying to get a statement. They're trying to do damage control and they're trying to limit their exposure to you. You see, as a Westby Car Accident Lawyer, I've seen good, hardworking people have their claims destroyed by making innocent mistakes with cagey insurance adjusters in the first few days after a car accident. I want to tell you exactly what to do after a Westby car accident so that you can avoid that. I've been handling injury cases for more than 20 years. I've tried cases against big insurance companies that refuse to pay. Here are 3 things you should know. First, make sure you get the right information and fast. Once you've gotten checked out by the doctors, begin gathering documents and information immediately. Here are some of the things you'll want to gather, especially if you hire an attorney. Number 1, get the police crash report. Try to get photos of all the vehicles. If you can, get names and phone numbers of any witnesses who may have seen the crash. Eventually, you'll want to get your medical records and medical bills. Get your health insurance card. Try to get a copy of your own auto policy or at least the declarations page. You want to make sure that you notify your own insurance company immediately after the crash, even if the accident was someone else's fault. In Wisconsin, auto insurance typically goes with the vehicle. Now, you or your attorney will need to sort out insurance questions early on. Is there any liability coverage and how much? Do you have underinsured or underinsured motorist coverage? How much med pay coverage is available to cover those initial doctor visits? The sooner this all gets sorted out, the sooner you and your attorney can begin formulating a plan to make sure that you get fair compensation for your injuries. Number 2, be very careful what you say and who you say it to. You see, you don't have to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. You may have to give a statement to your own insurance company, but keep it brief and factual, at least until you've had a chance to consult with an attorney. You see, Wisconsin uses what we call a comparative negligence rule. And this is how the insurance companies will try to use your statements to shift the blame to you and try to reduce the amount it has to pay you. So when you talk to the insurance company, be polite. Don't give detailed statements until you've talked to an attorney and that you fully understand your rights after a Wisconsin car accident. Number 3, let me explain the process. You see, a settlement check doesn't show up in the mail as soon as you heal from an injury. The claim process generally goes something like this. Number 1, you get treatment. Sometimes that takes days, weeks, months, sometimes years. Then you want to either recover or reach maximum medical improvement. Then we document all of that, your medical bills, documentation from your visits, maybe your wage records and things like that. And then you'll put together a demand package, and that demand package will go to the insurance company responsible. There may be some negotiations that go back and forth, and hopefully, if the insurance company is reasonable, they'll pay a fair amount to settle your case. But if it becomes necessary, then a lawsuit follows. Now, most cases settle even after a lawsuit is started. Most cases don't actually go to trial. But you can bet that insurance companies pay more attention to people who are represented by lawyers who are willing to try cases in court. If your case requires filing suit in Vernon County or elsewhere in western Wisconsin, you want to make sure you're represented by someone who's comfortable in the courtroom. You may not want a billboard lawyer looking to sign cases and settle quickly. In Wisconsin, you generally have 3 years from the date of the crash to file a lawsuit. But don't wait too long. You don't want evidence to disappear, and you want to try to get information before vehicles either get repaired or get totaled out. I'm Craig Steger. I've been protecting injured motorists in western Wisconsin for more than 2 decades. If you need straight answers about your situation, just reach out to the number on the screen. There's no obligation and the consultation is free. If you'd like more information, go to the description or watch the next videos in my channel.